3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
A few months ago, I traveled to Monino, Russia, which is just east of Moscow, to visit the Central Air Museum of the Russian Ministry of Defense. What an amazing museum. I saw many aircraft that I had never seen before, and some that I'd only seen in pictures. It was an amazing experience. I left with a strong sense of patriotism and also an acknowledgement that history will never be canceled in Russia. I was so moved by my visit that I created this video. I hope you enjoy it. Located about 25 miles east of Moscow is one of the largest aviation museums in Europe, the Central Air Force Museum of the Russian Ministry of Defense. The museum preserves the history of the creation and development of military aviation in Russia. I love aviation museums, and Monino is one of the best. The hangar dedicated to the Great Patriotic War is especially interesting to me as an American. I didn't expect to see many American aircraft of that era wearing the star of the Red Army. B-26 Marauder, a DC-3, and wait for it, a B-29 Stratofortress. Aviation in the USSR, along with space exploration, was a focal point of experimental engineering and planning. Some designs so radical that to me they appear as mythical flying creatures. Soviet-era aviation has fascinated me since the time of the Cold War. Ilyushin, Tupolev, Gagarin, Aeroflot. Names that had only lived within the pages of books and black and white photographs have now come to life. To see them up close and to touch this part of history has been a dream of mine.